Ethereum value equivalent to $2167 a coin. The present reach: $2,154, $2,178. The earlier day close: $2,166. The change was +1, plus 0.05%. Opposite rate: United States dollars to ETH. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost forecast for December 2023. Before all else cost at $2050. Most extreme cost $2,572, least cost $2,050. The normal for the month $2,239. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,283, change for December 11.4%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. To start with cost at $22.83. Greatest cost $2,645, least cost $2,079. The normal for the month $2,353. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,405, change for January 5.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2024. Before all else cost at $24.05. Most extreme cost $2,906, least cost $2,405. The normal for the month $2,608. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,716, change for February 12.9%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. To start with cost at $27.16. Most extreme cost $3,158, least cost $2,716. The normal for the month $2,885. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $2,951, change for spring 8.7%. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2024. Before all else cost at $29.51. Most extreme cost $3,206, least cost $2,786. The normal for the month $2,985. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,996, change for April 1.5%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. To start with cost at $29.96. Greatest cost $2,996, least cost $2,470. The normal for the month $2,780. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,656, change for May 11.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2024. First and foremost cost at $26.56. Greatest cost $2,729, least cost $2,372. The normal for the month $2,577. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,550, change for June 4.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. Initially cost at $25.50. Most extreme cost $2,815, least cost $2,447. The normal for the month $2,611. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $2,631, change for July 3.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2024. Before all else cost at $26.31. Greatest cost $2,821, least cost $2,451. The normal for the month $2,635. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $2,636, change for August 0.2%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. First and foremost cost at $26.36. Greatest cost $2,895, least cost $2,517. The normal for the month $2,689. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,706, change for September 2.7%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2024. At the outset cost at $27.06. Most extreme cost $3,295, least cost $2,706. The normal for the month $2,947. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $3,079, change for October 13.8%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for November 2024. First and foremost cost at $30.79. Greatest cost $3,332, least cost $2,896. The normal for the month $3,105. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $3,114, change for November 1.1%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2024. In the first place cost at $31.14. Greatest cost $3,865, least cost $3,114. The normal for the month $3,426. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $3,612, change for December 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2026. Initially cost at $1,525. Most extreme cost $1,799, least cost $1,525. The normal for the month $1,633. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,681, change for February 10.2%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. Before all else cost at $1,681. Most extreme cost $2,087, least cost $1,681. The normal for the month $1,850. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,950, change for spring 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2026. At the outset cost at $1,950. Most extreme cost $1,950, least cost $1,584. The normal for the month $1,797. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,703, change for April 12.7%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. In the first place cost at $1,703. Greatest cost $2,113, least cost $1,703. The normal for the month $1,874. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,975, change for May 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2026. At the outset cost at $1,975. Most extreme cost $2,348, least cost $1,975. The normal for the month $2,123. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,194, change for June 11.1%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for July 2026. In the first place cost at $2,194. Greatest cost $2,194, least cost $1,716. The normal for the month $1,987. Ethereum cost figure toward